All right, gang, so we've got a new one here today. Now, I've talked a little bit about this before in other videos, so this might overlap just a little bit. When we talk about auditing, whether you are in your first audit or your 21st audit, if you are being audited, one of the things you want to be able to do is you want to know your story. Now, when I say know your story, one of the things that I talk about with this is you should be able to go 3 levels deep from that KPI for the process, and you should know the context of your organization. You should know how that KPI came about. And when I say go 3 levels deep, if I begin to dig down and down and down, about the 3rd time I dig down and I realize that you know your story, it tells me you know your numbers. It tells me you know what's going on. And so when you're preparing to be audited, look at it like a story. Let me give you a real life example. So let's say that we have a training matrix and I'm out there and I'm auditing, right? And the company tells me, oh, we've got this training matrix, there's 4 levels to it, and level 4 means that you can train others. Okay, so they show me this beautiful training matrix, right? And it's got Tony on 2nd shift on machine 3 with a 4. That's level 1, right? You showed me a piece of paper. Now I got to go down to level 2. And if I go to 2nd shift, machine 3, I should be able to look Tony in the eye. That's the 2nd level. So then I begin to talk to Tony, right? And what I find is Tony has gone through, he's able to adequately explain the awareness, he's able to adequately explain what he does, how he does, and he's able to show me a couple people that he's brought along in his journey on that particular machine. That's the 3rd level. So if I continue to go down, what's the point? So a lot of times after the 3rd level, that will tell you whether or not the organization really has a paper system or whether or not it's a legitimately implemented system that you can use. So whether you're being audited or whether you're auditing, know your story, be prepared to go at least 3 levels on the line of questioning, and you'll have higher, more effective audits. All right, if you like this and you want more on audits, check out plexusintl.com.